Hey guys, this is a Lasko Ceiling Fan that I got from a very good friend of mine that she bought from eBay for me for Valentine's Day, mind you. Uh, I'm very happy I have this fan. Always wanted these in blue finish. I want to say these were made in the night, or were made in 1990s, and they were sold at Walmart from the 1990s. But I also took down the old the other Alaska, which is down over here. That's the late 80s, mid 80s. I don't know. I mean, it's got stencil on the other side, which you've already seen. Um, Also, I have the new in box. It's right over here. See that? Slate blue finish. And then there's the picture of the fan and the model. 3602L. So, yeah. There's the other side. I think I may have showed you that one too. I like how it says always be cool with Lasko. That's actually, I like that. And then here's the owner's manual. So, yeah, came with everything. Anyway, so here's the fan. Okay, so what we're gonna do is turn the light. I also have two different choices for this light. I put in the LED one, the little one, so it can fit inside it. I also have for this one the blue one. So I got a blue one right here. So I don't know what to decide. So go ahead and turn the light off, and then start the fan on low. So here's your low speed. Okay. Turn it to medium. So there's your medium speed. Feel some air from the medium. And show you then turn it to high speed. There. Okay. So there's your high speed. Shows the air movement. Actually, the white one moves a lot faster than this one, but the thing I like about this one does not wobble or shake, so it's good where it stays. So yeah, I don't have to worry about the wobbling, so I can run this when I need to. But I'll show you with the light on. Give a good look on it. Oops, sorry about that. I'll show you around it too. Yeah, I think I mentioned this before. My aunt and uncle had one of these, but theirs was either, I think theirs was in beige. I mean, I don't remember the blade tips that they had, but the light kit, that same light kit they had in their bedroom. And I mean, I thought it was a cool looking fan when I first seen it. I remember these at Walmart too in the mid-early 90s before they all got replaced. But I'm actually very happy that I have this one and I have this one, so I got identical twins. So, yeah. Alright. We will go ahead and turn it off. Medium, low, and off. Yeah, it's got a little short spin down, but it's still alright. Alright, let me show you some close up of this fan. Let me get up to the ladder and give you an idea. Oops. Oh. So there's your plastic light kit. I'll show you this one. This part's plastic, light kit's plastic, that part's plastic. I mean, the only thing that's not plastic is the down rod and the screws and the blade brackets, but yeah. There's the pull chains. That's been already added. And then the other side is just plain on both sides, so there's no stencil. Really like that V-shaped looking blade bracket there. Just like the white one. And yeah. And I love the pointed tip blades, or wing tip, whatever you call those. And I know the other ones, they have more of a rounded tip. I think those are one of the later Laskos that I've been told and seen, but yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd show you the video of the Lasko Ceiling Fan, so hope you all enjoy the videos. So, see you later.